Lesson 10. 我能坐这儿吗? Can I sit here? 我 I 能 can 坐 sit 这儿 here. So we saw another character that means can or have the ability to do something, which is 会. Here we see 能. It has a similar meaning and function, but when you want to be polite and you want to say, can I do something? Can I sit here? Can I open the window? Can I borrow something? We would use 能. Because 会, it usually means you have the ability, you're capable of doing something, or you will do something. Text 1. 桌子上有什么? What is on the desk or table? 桌子 desk or table. 上 on top of it. 有 have 什么 what. So on the desk has what? That's how we say it, yeah. What is on the desk or table? 桌子上有一个电脑和一本书. So on the desk or table, there is a computer and a book. 一个 one. Notice that 个 is a very common measure word in Chinese. In Chinese, we have many measure words for different types of objects. For example, in here we have for computer, for book, for a pen, for river. So you need to add a measure word, another character before these words to say how many. There are like one or two. So in here, 个 is the most common one. So when you're not sure, you can just use 个 for all the objects you want to say. So 有一个电脑, there is a computer. 电脑 computer. It literally means electrical brain. Electrical brain. 一本书. So here we see the measure word for book. 本. So 一本书, it means one book. So 本 is just here to because it follows a book follows it. 和 means and. 杯子在哪儿? Where is the cup? 杯子 cup. 在哪儿 where? 杯子在桌子里. The cup is inside of the desk. Probably there's a drawer. Text 2. 前面那个人叫什么名字? 前面 in front. 那个人 that person. 那个 means that. 人 person. 叫 is called 什么名字? What name? So we learned this in the first lesson, right? What is your name? What is your name called? 你叫什么名字? Here we see it again. 她叫王芳，在医院工作。She is called Wang Fang. She works in a hospital. 后面那个人呢？他叫什么名字？ How about the person behind us or in the back? What is his name? What is he called? So 后面 means behind or in the back. 那个人 that person. 他叫什么名字？他 means he. So it's the same sound as she, 他, but when we write it, it's different. The left part of the character is different, right? So if you hear someone say he or she in Chinese, you won't be able to know whether it's a woman or a man because they are all called 他. Only when we write it, we know whether it's female or male. 他叫谢鹏，在商店工作。His name is 谢鹏. He works at a store. Text 3. 这儿有人吗? Is someone here? 这儿 here 有人 has a person 没有 no there's no one or there's nothing 我能坐这儿吗 Can I sit here 请坐 Please sit 请 please 坐 sit